All right, so now we're playing with Play-Doh. It's a great fine motor, and the first thing you do when you play Play-Doh is pick color. So you're doing color recognition. You can also, if you're okay with it, you can mix colors to make new colors. Again, that is up to you if you want that to happen or not. Some people don't like that to happen. Other people do. Now what we're going to do is a lot of fine motor. Like right now, Addie's rolling out her Play-Doh. You can also do shape and animal recognition, like depending on what cookie cutters or Play-Doh cutters you have. Addie, what shape is this?
A circle.
A circle.
And I'm almost rolling.
Yeah?
It's up.
Yep, keep rolling. You got it. Which one's this one?
A heart.
A heart. How about that one?
A triangle.
Okay. And you can also have little scissors for scissor practice. Because these Play-Doh scissors will only cut Play-Doh. It's not like they're going to cut their hair or anything. But you just have like an array of different things you can do with them. Hi, Gibbs. And we have someone playing with us. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so Addie, what is this?
A dolphin.
Oh. Do you know what animal that is?
What is it?
A sea turtle.
No.
I think it is. What about this one? Oh, turtle down. What about that one? Do you know what this one is?
Octopus.
An octopus. You're right. So you can just let them play. There's no right or wrong way to play with Play-Doh. Now I think...
May I make stars?
Oh, we go. Yeah, a little bit, okay? We'll do a video, then we'll do the mixed colors. Look, you can even roll balls if they have different textures, roll them across, and see what you get. Yeah, do you want to roll it on your Play-Doh, see what happens? What's happening?
I don't know. Shit, yet find out.
Is it smooth or bumpy on there now? Right here.
It's bumpy.
It's bumpy! Why do you think it's bumpy?
Because of this.
Oh, because of that. Oh, nice. Heart. What do you have there, Addie? What is it?
Broken heart.
Oh, right here. What are those?
Bananas.
Bananas. And make sure you play too, because if you're playing, the child's going to be more engaged.
Broken.
The heart is broken. Oh no! This is kind of cool.
That's why I use bananas.
Oh.
That's why the dog is there.
Oh, that's why the crack is there, because the heart's broken.
That's why you
Can you fix it?
Nope.
Oh, you can't fix the broken heart? That's not good.
Nope. See, it's not broken anymore.
Oh, you fixed it!
No, I didn't.
Oh.
It's still broken.
Oh, I thought you said it wasn't broken. Are you trying to find a way to fix it? Or break it more?
There's no way to unfix it.
There's no way to unfix it. What do you do with that?
Just put potato in there and toss it with a small mouth.
Oh, you press it down and then open it. What is on both sides of this?
I don't know.
What are those?
Oh, look.
What is it?
Look.
Oh, yeah. We should put more, maybe spread it out a little more. But we have little fish on there now.
So I'm Addie Bell Fitz.
Yes, this is Addie Bell Fitz. Who am I?
Maybe.
Mimi. Mm-hmm.
Maybe for flat.
And that fits.
Addie Bell Fitz.
Yes. You can't just call her one of her names. It's all three all the time. What's your full name?
Uncle
Is it
Dad.
Addison Bell Fitz?
Addie Bell Fitz.
Yeah, is Addie your nickname?
Nope.
Oh, then what is it?
It's Addie Bell Fitz.
Addison Bell Fitz.
Addie Bell Fitz is my first name.
Oh, well, Addie is your nickname. Addison is your first name. Bell is your middle name. Fitz is your last name. Like Amy is my first name.
Amy.
Amy, yes.
Yeah.
Even though she still calls me Mamie, she can clearly say Amy. It's just her nickname.
More toys.
More toys. I don't know what all these do. You'll have to show me.
They can do whatever
We'll just dump it all out.
they want. They can do what they want.
They can do what they want.
Ah!
I can't have this one.
Nope.
What color is it?
It's blue.
Blue.
And it's Daddy's favorite
And who
color.
else's favorite color?
Double and you.
Yes, Grandpa and Mamie. Can I have the yellow?
No.
Can I get the orange like Addie?
I don't have ones.
Right here, this is orange.
Oh, wait. Sorry. Oh, you did
Well,
have
what color is
ones.
this?
You did have ones.
I can have orange. She keeps saying no to all the colors I want. Alright, here, let's play with Play-Doh. Are these the same color orange?
Nope.
Nope.
You haven't done another one.
Mine's the brighter orange. What?
No, I don't want this one with my ones.
Okay. Don't forget your fishies.
You cannot.
Sometimes it's easier just to play with their Play-Doh too.
What is this?
Oh, it's dried Play-Doh. We'll
Why?
throw it away. Well, because we left it out and it dried. So, and you can't mold it anymore, so it gets thrown out.
Why?
I don't, it just dries out and you can't play with it anymore.
Oh.
Alright, well, I hope this gives you something to do. It's a rainy day where we're at, so we're going to be playing with Play-Doh and doing other things inside all day because it's cold and rainy. It's not just rainy, it's cold and rainy. Hopefully it'll
So
warm
what
up
do you think, baby?
next week. What do I think about what? Oh, wow! I like it. You have a hair in there. You know another way to do that? You can press down on it too. I like how you're rolling that out. Very nice.
No one pay for days.
What?
No one pay for days.
Okay. Alright, well, I hope you have fun.
No one pay the days.
Have a good day. Goodbye.
Bye. And baby Titty is